everybody, this is Exquisite Black Rose back with another video. I know you guys aren't used to seeing me in my glasses, but that's what you're getting today because today is an easy breezy kind of day. So hopefully you guys like these deals that I have in store for you. 58 cents for deal. You cannot beat that price. Okay, so I have two really great deals for you guys today, and they both are 58 cent deals. Okay, so the first deal is for Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothing. I did not just buy this. I have used this before. I use this in Lola's hair all the time. It smells like candy. I haven't even opened it yet, if you can see, because I just got it today. But it smells so great and it's great for natural hair. It's curl smoothing. So you get two of these. 1, 2. You get two of these. Right now, these are on sale right now for $2.79 a piece. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Walgreens app or go to the website and you're gonna clip a $5 coupon for Shea Moisture. If you buy 2 Shea Moisture products, you get $5 off, making this 58 cents for both. I swear by Shea Moisture. I have three favorite hair company products: Design Essentials, Shea Moisture, and Silk Elements. Shea Moisture is the best for babies, in my opinion, because it doesn't have any alcohol. Everything in it is pure. I just think it's like the best ever. The next deal is Caress Soap. There is a coupon for $3 off any 2 Caress products, but it does say, would you stop, Lola? It does say body wash, Caress body wash, but it is attaching to the single bars like this for $1.79. So when you purchase 2, it's going to take $3 off, making your total 58 cents. There's 2 different deals for 58 cents, and you cannot beat that. After taxes, I think it goes over a little of $1. So what you can do is redeem your points and just pay the taxes. Hi, Lola. I can't even make a video. So guys, this is why I have not been doing makeup videos. Number 1, I have not been feeling that great. And number 2, Miss Lola has been out of daycare for a month and she won't let me do absolutely anything. So when she starts back up again, I will be posting more makeup videos. I'm doing a little natural thing right now where I have no makeup. I'm not even wearing my contacts because Lola just takes up all my time and it's just no point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, this is on the Walgreens app. $3 coupon for Caress body wash, $5 coupon for Shea Moisture. Enjoy your deals.